Cranes are essential in industrial operations, but safety risks can lead to accidents and costly downtime. Wipelot's real-time crane positioning and safety system enhances workplace safety with proactive alerts and an automatic slowdown feature. With minimal setup, Wipelot integrates seamlessly into any facility, giving operators instant visibility without complex installations. Its multi-axis tracking monitors crane movements in real time, while automatic slowdown and stopping features prevent collisions and keep operations running smoothly. Proximity sensors detect hazards instantly, triggering visual and audible warnings to prevent crane-to-crane and crane-to-person collisions. Real-time 3D visualization reduces blind spots and provides key insights for better decision-making. Boosts safety with Wipelot's advanced RTLS technology, reduce risks, improve efficiency, and build a safer future.